The future of work is hurtling towards us at breakneck speed, fueled by a relentless tide of automation and artificial intelligence, AI. While this technological revolution promises exciting new opportunities, it also casts a long shadow over certain professions. The rise of automation and AI will create winners and losers in the job market. By identifying potentially declining jobs, you can proactively explore alternative career options with greater long-term stability. Now, we explore 22 jobs likely to be significantly impacted by automation in the next decade, drawing on data about automation vulnerability and projected job growth. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Manufacturing. Assembly lines, for decades the backbone of mass production, are increasingly populated by robots. These tireless machines, guided by precise programming and advanced sensors, can perform repetitive tasks with unmatched speed and consistency. A McKinsey study predicts a staggering 800 million jobs globally could be lost to automation by 2030, with manufacturing jobs at the forefront of this disruption. Number 1. Assembly line workers. The monotonous tasks of assembling products, from screwing on nuts and bolts to placing components, are prime targets for automation. Robots can tirelessly work 24/7 without breaks, fatigue, or errors, significantly reducing production costs. This trend is expected to accelerate, displacing a significant portion of the assembly line workforce. Number 2. Production line supervisors. While robots handle the physical tasks, human supervisors have traditionally overseen production lines, ensuring quality control and troubleshooting issues. AI-powered systems are constantly evolving, capable of monitoring production data in real time, identifying anomalies, and even taking corrective actions. This automation of supervisory tasks could potentially lead to a decrease in the number of production line supervisors needed. Retail. With the rise of e-commerce and the increasing adoption of self-service technologies in brick-and-mortar stores, this trend threatens the livelihood of several retail workers. Number 3. Cashiers. The iconic image of the cashier ringing up customers might soon become a relic of the past. Self-checkout kiosks are rapidly proliferating in stores, allowing customers to scan and pay for their purchases independently. A Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS report, expects a stark 10% decline in cashier jobs by 2032, highlighting the significant impact of automation on this role. Number 4. Stock clerks. Behind the scenes, stock clerks play a crucial role in maintaining store inventory levels. Advancements in inventory management systems, coupled with the rise of robotics, are poised to disrupt this job. Real-time data analysis and automated warehouse robots can efficiently manage stock levels, potentially reducing the need for manual stock clerks in the future. Transportation. The transportation sector, long dominated by human drivers, is on the cusp of a massive transformation driven by self-driving technology. This has the potential to alter the landscape of driving-related jobs significantly. Number 5. Taxi drivers. The rise of ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft has already disrupted the traditional taxi industry. Now, the emergence of autonomous vehicles poses an even greater threat. Self-driving cars, capable of navigating roads safely and efficiently without human intervention, could render taxi drivers obsolete in the long run. Number 6. Truck drivers. Long-haul trucking is an industry that could be significantly impacted by self-driving technology. Autonomous trucks have the potential to revolutionize long-distance freight transportation, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. While the technology is still under development, its potential impact on truck driver jobs cannot be ignored. Data entry and administration. The rise of automation is also rapidly transforming the world of data entry and administrative tasks. Number 7. Data entry clerks. The laborious task of manually entering data into computer systems is becoming increasingly automated. Machine learning algorithms, paired with optical character recognition, OCR technology, can now efficiently extract data from documents and forms, significantly reducing the need for manual data entry clerks. Number 8. Bookkeeping clerks and accounting assistants. Accounting practices are also undergoing a significant transformation. Accounting software is becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of automating many routine bookkeeping tasks, such as recording transactions and generating reports. This trend could potentially lead to a decline in the demand for bookkeeping clerks and accounting assistants. Customer service. For decades, customer service has relied heavily on human interaction. The rise of chatbots and AI-powered virtual assistants is changing the game. These intelligent chatbots can handle routine customer inquiries, answer frequently asked questions, and even resolve simple issues, potentially reducing the need for human customer service representatives. Number 9. Telemarketers. Telemarketing firms are increasingly utilizing chatbots for outbound communication. These chatbots can engage potential customers through text messages or social media platforms, qualifying leads, and even scheduling appointments. This targeted approach eliminates the annoyance of random calls and allows potential customers to engage on their own terms. Number 10. Loan officers. The loan application process, once a complex and time-consuming endeavor, is being streamlined by automation. AI-powered credit scoring algorithms can analyze a borrower's financial data in seconds, providing lenders with a quick and accurate assessment of creditworthiness. This automation, coupled with the potential for online loan processing systems, could reduce the need for loan officers, particularly for smaller loans. Number 11. Bank tellers. The traditional image of the bank teller, dispensing cash and processing transactions, is quickly becoming a relic of the past. The rise of online banking and mobile apps has significantly reduced customer reliance on in-person banking services. The BLS expects a 9% decline in bank teller jobs by 2031, highlighting the impact of automation on this role. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Office and administrative. Office and administrative work, once a haven for paper trails and filing cabinets, is being reshaped by digital technologies. Automation is streamlining workflows and potentially making some administrative roles obsolete. Number 12. Postal workers. The traditional mail delivery system, long a mainstay of communication, is facing significant challenges in the digital age. Declining mail volume due to the rise of email and online communication is putting pressure on postal services. Additionally, automation efforts, such as self-service kiosks and delivery drones, could further reduce the need for postal workers, particularly in areas with lower mail volume. BLS expects a 26% decline in postal worker jobs by 2031. Number 13. Word processors typists. The days of dedicated word processors and typists are rapidly fading. Modern software applications with dictation and voice recognition features allow users to transcribe their thoughts into text effortlessly. This technology eliminates the need for manual typing and dictation, potentially rendering these specialized roles less relevant. Other vulnerable roles. The impact of automation extends beyond the aforementioned sectors. Several other jobs face varying degrees of risk in the coming decade. Number 14. Fast food workers. Many fast food corporations are increasingly turning to automation and robotics to handle various functions within their businesses, such as taking orders, preparing food, and cleaning food preparation areas. Eventually, these establishments may only require a supervisor and a maintenance person. Small businesses operating on the fringes of the fast food industry might be the only ones to survive, avoiding government oversight. Meanwhile, others may find themselves seeking the promised $20 an hour jobs, particularly in areas like Seattle and California, while facing unemployment. Number 15. Travel agents. Online booking platforms and AI-powered travel assistants allow consumers to research, plan, and book their trips independently. While human travel agents will likely remain valuable for complex itineraries or personalized experiences, the rise of these automated solutions could reduce the demand for traditional travel agents. Number 16. Insurance underwriters. The insurance industry is heavily reliant on risk assessment, a process that traditionally involved human underwriters who evaluated an applicant's risk profile based on various factors. AI is making inroads into this domain. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to assess risk more accurately and efficiently. This technology has the potential to standardize risk assessment and potentially reduce the need for human underwriters in certain areas. Number 17. Security guards. Advancements in AI-powered surveillance systems and remote monitoring are changing the landscape. These intelligent systems can continuously monitor a location, detect suspicious activity, and even alert security personnel. While physical security guards will likely remain essential for certain high-risk environments, automation could reduce their presence in some settings. Number 18. Newspaper delivery workers. The decline of print media is a well-documented trend. As more and more people turn to online news sources for their daily dose of information, the demand for printed newspapers continues to plummet. This decline has a domino effect on newspaper delivery workers who are responsible for delivering physical copies to subscribers. Technical roles. Even technical roles are not entirely immune to the automation wave. While some require a high degree of human expertise and creativity, others with more routine tasks might see some degree of automation. Number 19. Textile cutting machine operators. The textile industry has traditionally relied on skilled workers to operate fabric cutting machines. Automation is making inroads into this domain. Laser cutting technology allows for precise and automated fabric cutting, potentially impacting the demand for textile cutting machine operators in the long run. Number 20. Welders. Welding is a critical skill in various industries, from construction to manufacturing. Automated welding robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable of performing complex welds with high precision. While skilled welders will still be needed for specialized tasks and quality control, automation could potentially reduce the demand for some welding jobs. Number 21. Switchboard operators. The traditional role of the switchboard operator, connecting callers to the appropriate extension within an organization, has largely been replaced by advancements in telecommunications technology. Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, and automated routing systems have significantly reduced the need for these operators. This trend highlights how even seemingly secure jobs can be impacted by technological advancements. Number 22. Programmers. While programming is a technical skill, certain aspects of the job, such as routine coding and debugging, are becoming increasingly automated. AI-powered tools and algorithms can assist programmers in writing and optimizing code, potentially reducing the demand for some programming roles. The future of work, adapting and thriving. The future of work promises to be a dynamic landscape, constantly reshaped by technological innovation. While automation presents a challenge for some jobs, it also creates exciting new opportunities. Here are some key takeaways to consider. Continuous learning is key. The ability to learn and adapt new skills will be crucial for navigating the changing job market. Investing in ongoing education and training can equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in an automated future. Focus on transferable skills. While technical skills are important, focusing on transferable skills like critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and teamwork will be invaluable. These skills can be applied across various roles and industries, providing individuals with greater flexibility and adaptability. Embrace technology. Technology is not the enemy. It's a powerful tool that can be leveraged to enhance our work. By embracing new technologies and understanding their capabilities, individuals can position themselves for success in the automated workplace. Collaboration. The future of work will likely see increased collaboration between humans and machines. Humans will bring their unique creativity, problem-solving skills, and social intelligence to the table, while machines will handle tasks requiring speed, precision, and data analysis. By working together, humans and machines can achieve remarkable results. The future of work is changing now. The transformation driven by automation is an inevitable force. By understanding its potential impact and preparing for the future, individuals and society as a whole can navigate this change and unlock the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.